Joining us now to talk about all the developments is Tilray CEO Irwin Simon. Welcome back to the show, Irwin. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank you.
On this news today, Symbios, the new medical line, how's it different than the Aphria and Tilray medical brands that you already have now that you've combined this company?
So it's a value-added medical product, Sarah, that consumers can order, from our online or go to our medical stores. And what we looked at here was how to provide products for pain, arthritis, et cetera, at a price point that ultimately that is affordable. And I think what we saw what was happening is, consumers or patients were not going to the doctors because of prices. Were going into retail stores and just buying a product that was not sufficing their needs. So we felt we'd come out with a product that ultimately would be a value added that could, that could help patients in regards to pain, arthritis, et cetera. So great product, and I've used it myself, and it works.
Well, obviously medical is a huge focus for you now, especially after the deal. Investors are curious for an update, Irwin, on how the integration is going. Huge lift with people, with cultures, with locations. Where are you in that process? You've done a ton of deals in your career as Hain Celestial CEO. How does this one stack up?
So a lot of heavy lifting, but there's great packages to lift here, and we've come out publicly and said, hey, we're going to take $80+ million of costs out of this business, and we've started already on the integration. I'm very fortunate to have a great team that I'm working with, both of my original Aphria team and the Tilray team. And with that, we have integrated our Canadian business. We've integrated our international business. We've integrated in regards to the U.S., our Manitoba harvest business. And, with that, we like what we see out there so far. But there's still a lot to do, and there's still a lot of lifting to do. But I got to tell you, if you step back for a second, and you said it before, investors last year this time, Aphria market cap was about a 1.6 billion. The combination of Tilray, Aphria, and a Sweetwater today, our market cap is close to $9 billion. So, the big thing today is the retail investors are coming into, cannabis stocks because they see the value, they see ultimately the growth of the category. And Tilray is one of the most talked about stocks today if you look at Reddit and, the cannabis world out there.
Owen, tell us about what's going to be stocked on Delta flights. And is it a stepping stone towards having cannabis products sold or distributed or taken whilst people are flying? I mean, is that going to be a helpful thing to calm people down?
Well, first of all, it's an IPA. It's a hazy IPA. It's a Sweetwater hazy IPA. But I think if you come back to it and look at Sweetwater today as a beer, and our Aces, which is a vodka seltzer, and it's, on all Delta domestic flights and international flights right now. But, I think, again, there's a lot of nervous flyers out there. As, people get back to start flying again, they're going to want that drink. They're going to want something out there that calms their nerves. And whether it's a CBD drink, and hopefully one day it's a THC drink, an alcoholic drink is going to be one of the right products for them to make sure they feel comfortable and something to keep them calm while they're flying.
You mentioned the Reddit embrace. So do you welcome that? You welcome the army of retail traders? Because you are talked about, along with Sundial, on Wall Street Bets and all over the internet. You're like Adam Aaron? You want them?
Well, I don't know if I'm like Adam Aaron, but, I'm very, very supportive. We love them. They're our consumers, they're users of our products. And let me tell you something, and myself having 4 kids, that group, of Gen Z that are out there trading within our stock today, they're technology savvy, they're retail savvy, they're brand savvy. And Sarah, you want them as investors, you want them as consumers, and we're using them to get a lot of feedback on our products. And I got to tell you, you look at our stock today, we trade at close to 30 million shares, and that's almost on a daily basis. So there's a big retail, population out there that are buying our stock, talking about our stock, and through social media is getting the word out. Now, listen, there's a lot of things you have to do in regards to shareholder meetings and that to be able to, bring retail shareholders in to vote, et cetera. but it's a great base of shareholders to have because they're so educated about your company and educated about your products. It's amazing when you come back and look, what they're posting about our products and what they know. And we love having them as part of our shareholder base.
Interesting on the consumer angle as well. Erwin, thank you. Good to talk to you. Erwin Simon.
Nice to talk to you.
CEO of
Thank
Tilray.
you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.